Well, here we have an interesting one, folks. This is a Pendleton Sunbay Deluxe. So yeah, you can see there it says Pendleton, and it has a Nexus rear hub. Chain's a little rusty, but nothing too bad. It's been sitting for a while. There's your speed sensor to make sure you don't go over the 15 mile an hour. There's our battery, no key sadly. It's a 36 volt battery. She's running the bafang system, which is rather nice. We have leather grips, 7-speed shifter of course, and a leather saddle. I don't know if it is real leather. It actually does feel like it is, but yeah. We have basket on the front as well. Does have mud guards. You know, I hate mud guards. We used to take the piss of people that had them as a kid, so you know, it's just one of those things that's kind of dorky. But it's like, just man up. This is, you know, this is a lady's bike. This is to stop getting dirty when you're going somewhere posh or whatever. And at the minute, it's muddy as hell, so it's kind of needed. But yeah, it's aluminium frame. It's got a regular quill stem, adjustable stem here, so you can adjust the handlebars. We have 15 miles on the clock. How do you go through it? Hang on. Oh, just gone through it again. Range 29 miles. Power 0 watts at the moment. Time running. I've done it. It's gone back through time. Trip 9.1. Odometer ODO 15 miles. 15 miles on the clock, and it's only ever reached 17 mile an hour. And that was probably when I was pedalling it down a hill. So, you know, not even pedalling it down a hill, just rolling down a hill that's near here. So yeah, only 15 miles on the clock. That's nuts. So yeah, that was a pretty good one. That concludes my video on this Pendleton bike. Thank you for watching.